जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd चैप्टर कर्मयोगम 8th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा टीचिंग कर्मयोगम to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, as long as you are in the body, you have to be carrying out your activities, you have to be performing your duties. Otherwise, you cannot maintain your body." Oh Arjuna, because anyway you have to perform your duty, if you keep doing your duties according to the Shastra, obeying Shastra, that will purify your mind. With that, Atma Jnanam becomes easy for you. That is why, because you are in the body, performing action, doing duty is lot better than Jnana Yogam. So Karma Yogi is superior to Jnana Yogi. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging all of us to do Karma Yogam, which is known as Nishkama Karma. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Niyatam Kuru karmatvam karmajyayo hi akarmanaha sharirayatra pichate na prasidhyet akarmanaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha." Keep on remembering my teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep performing all my duties to impress you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering the fact that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep remembering your teachings every day through at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava." శ్రీమద్భాగవతం నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Maharshi revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, the son of Vyasa, Sri Suka, came down to Parikshin Narendra and standing right in front of Parikshin Narendra. Vrutascha balaihi avadhuta veshaha. Around Sri Suka there are small children playing around him, and there are no any great indications so that we can know that he is a great Maharshi. He is in Avadhuta, the posture of Avadhuta. Tam Dvashtavarsham. Sri Suka is 16-year-old. He is looking very strong and young. Sukumara pada. His feet is very delicate. And karorubahu amsakapolagatram. His hands, his shoulders, his face, everything is looking so delicate. Charu ayata aksha. Beautiful wide eyes and a very tall nose. 2 ears are placed very symmetric, and his eyebrows looking so beautiful. His face is glowing and very attractive. Kambu sujata kantham. His throat is looking like a beautiful senkham. Visala vakshasthalam. His chest is wide and his shoulders are very long. His vaktra vikirna kesam. His hair having so many curly hair, that hair is falling on his beautiful face. Su Amara Uttama Abham. His glow is just like Sri Krishna Paramatma's glow. He is glowing like Sri Krishna Paramatma, and with his body, beautiful color of the body, with the glow in his body, with the youngness in his body, with the handsomeness in his body, and with the beautiful smile on his face, he is able to captivate all the ladies, all the women in the world. Such great Sri Suka standing right in front of Parikshin Narendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Karacharana Saroje Kantimannetramine Sremamushi भुजवीची व्याकुले गाधमार्गे हरिसरसि विगाह्यापीय तेजोजलौघम् भवमरुपरिखिन्नः खेदमद्य त्यजामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्। कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter 8th श्लोक। नियतं कुरु कर्मत्वं कर्मज्यायो हि अकर्मणः शरीरयात्रापि च ते न प्रसिद्ध्येत् अकर्मणः। नियतं कुरु कर्मत्वं कर्मज्यायो ह्यकर्मणः शरीरयात्रापि च ते न प्रसिद्ध्येत् अकर्मणः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।